Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the left door bottom bin in this LG refrigerator, apply an upward even pressure on both sides of the door bin, freeing it from its slots, and remove it from the door. Remove the new bottom door bin from the packaging. Insert the new bottom door bin and press down until it's seated in the door slots. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.